Hey everyone, if YouTube TV keeps showing playback errors, I've got practical fixes to get you back streaming smoothly. Let's dive in. First, check if the issue is on YouTube's side. Sometimes there's an outage or service disruption. If everything's down, you'll have to wait. Next, make sure your home area and current playback location are set correctly. If you've moved or are streaming from a different place, YouTube TV might block or refuse playback until the location is verified. Then, restart your device: TV, phone, streaming stick. Turn it off, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This simple reset often clears glitches. If playback errors persist, update the YouTube TV app and the system software/firmware on your device. Older versions sometimes have bugs or compatibility issues. Also, check your internet connection. YouTube TV streams need a stable, decent speed. If Wi-Fi is weak, try moving closer to the router or use wired/Ethernet if possible. Lower video quality too, just to test. Make sure app permissions are correct, especially location permissions. If YouTube TV doesn't have access to your device's location, it may fail to verify playback area. Finally, clear app cache or uninstall and reinstall the app if nothing else works. Corrupted cache or bad updates sometimes cause persistent errors. And that's a wrap. Try those steps and your playback error should be gone. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and let me know if you still need help.